Are you tired of guessing whether your car battery is actually healthy until your vehicle refuses to start? There is a smarter way to stay ahead. Car battery testers become an essential tool for drivers who want confidence and peace of mind. These compact devices quickly diagnose battery condition, charging performance, and potential issues before they turn into costly breakdowns. With fast readings, user-friendly designs, and accurate results, they can control your vehicle's health. In this guide, we break down the top 5 best car battery testers based on their performance. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is the Konnwei KW208. The Konnwei KW208 is one of the best budget-friendly car battery testers you can choose. It gives you all the essential tools you need to understand your battery's condition and avoid unexpected breakdowns before they happen. With support for all 12-volt batteries, 100 to 2000 cca, you can easily test flooded AGM, gel, and spiral battery types. Whether you're checking your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or RV, this tester gives you clear insights into battery health so you always know where you stand. With a full picture of your battery's performance in seconds. It shows voltage, internal resistance, cold cranking amps, and AH capacity. On top of that, it also performs cranking and charging system tests, helping you quickly identify whether the issue is with your battery, alternator, or starter. What makes it even better is its upgraded accuracy. With a smart AI chip and improved galvanized alloy clamps, you get over 99.7% precise readings with stronger, more stable connections. Using it is incredibly simple. Just connect the clamps and it powers on automatically. No setup, no waiting. You can test batteries in or out of the vehicle, even if they are completely dead. It's truly plug and play, making it perfect for beginners and DIY users. It's also compact and easy to store in your glove box or garage, so you can keep it ready whenever you need it. If you want a simple, powerful, and affordable way to protect your vehicle from battery failure, the Konnwei KW208 might be the perfect pick for everyday reliability. The 4th place on our list is the Vdiagtool BT500. The Vdiagtool BT500 is one of the best all-in-one car battery testers with professional-level diagnostics in a simple, easy-to-use device. It gives you complete control over your vehicle's battery health, starting system, and charging system, helping you avoid unexpected breakdowns before they happen. With support for 6 volts, 12 volts, and 24 volts batteries, you can use it on almost anything. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, ATVs, and even boats. Whether you're checking your daily driver before work or testing a truck on a job site, you get fast and reliable results every time. You'll see everything you need in seconds. The BT500 shows battery capacity, voltage, resistance, SOH, state of health, SOC, state of charge, and even cranking and charging performance. That means you're not guessing. You clearly know if your battery is strong, weak, or ready to fail. You can check whether your alternator is properly charging the battery and whether the starter system is working correctly. So instead of replacing parts blindly, you can quickly find the real problem and fix it the right way. Accuracy is another strong point. Powered by an advanced chip and smart algorithms, it delivers highly precise readings so you can trust the results before making any decisions. It even includes a dedicated 6-volt mode for motorcycle batteries, making it more versatile than most testers in its class. You will get built-in protections like reverse polarity and short-circuit safety, plus a clear 2.8-inch display and a simple menu system that makes testing fast, even if you're a beginner. If you want a powerful, accurate, and easy-to-use diagnostic tool, the Vdiagtool BT500 is a top-tier choice for keeping your vehicle in perfect condition. The 3rd product on our list is the Topdon BT100. The Topdon BT100 is one of the best compact car battery testers for beginners. It offers fast, accurate results in a simple, portable design. It delivers reliable battery diagnostics without the complexity of larger professional tools, making it perfect for everyday drivers and DIY users. You get a clear and complete picture of your battery's condition every time you test. It shows important data like SOH, state of health, SOC, state of charge, voltage, current, and CCA, helping you understand exactly how your battery is performing. Whether your car is slow to start or you just want peace of mind before a trip, this tester gives you quick and easy answers. The experience feels smooth and beginner-friendly. With its simple menu system and bright LED indicators, you can instantly see whether your battery is in good condition or needs attention. The compact size means you can keep it in your glove box and use it anytime without hassle. Performance goes beyond basic checks. You can run a full battery health test, a cranking test to check starting power, and a charging test to make sure your alternator and electrical system are working properly. This helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. Safety and reliability are also important here. The high-quality copper clamps ensure a stable connection, while built-in protections like reverse polarity and spark-proof design help prevent mistakes during testing. With support for a wide range of 12-volt batteries in vehicles, from cars to boats and ATVs, the Topdon BT100 is a smart, portable solution. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-use battery tester that still delivers dependable performance, this tester is an excellent choice. The second product on our list is the Foxwell BT705. If you're looking for the best car battery tester for garage or professional use, the Foxwell BT705 is built to give you accurate, workshop-level diagnostics without the confusion. It delivers a powerful combination of precision, ease of use, and wide compatibility, making it a smart choice whether you're working in your garage or preparing for a long trip. At its core, this tester uses advanced conductance technology to provide highly accurate readings for state of health, state of charge, and CCA. That means you can catch hidden battery problems early and avoid wasting money on unnecessary replacements or repairs. Instead of guessing, you get clear, good replace or charge results that guide your next step. The testing experience feels smooth and practical. With its large 2.8-inch LCD screen and extra-long 5.9-foot cable, you can sit in the driver's seat, start the engine, and monitor real-time cranking and charging data all by yourself. You don't need a second person, which makes the whole process faster and more convenient. Performance goes beyond basic battery checks. You can run full system diagnostics, including battery health, cranking performance, and alternator output. This helps you pinpoint whether the issue comes from the battery, starter, or charging system before replacing any parts. Consistency is another major advantage. The upgraded algorithm ensures stable and repeatable results, even across temperature changes or multiple tests, so you can track your battery condition over time with confidence. With support for both 12-volt and 24-volt systems and a wide range of battery types, the Foxwell BT705 is ideal if you want a powerful, reliable tester that feels like a professional tool. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Ancel BA101. The Ancel BA101 is the best overall car battery tester if you want a fast, reliable way to understand your battery's real condition without any guesswork. It combines professional-level diagnostics with a simple, easy-to-use design, making it one of the most practical tools you can keep in your car or garage. When you're dealing with slow starts, dim lights, or unexpected battery issues, this tester gives you clear answers in seconds. You can check state of health, SOH, state of charge, SOC, voltage, current, and CCA, along with cranking and charging system performance. That means you're not just guessing, you actually know what's going on before it turns into a bigger problem. Using it feels simple and stress-free. The bright LCD display with adjustable contrast makes everything easy to read in any lighting, while one-handed operation keeps things quick and convenient. Since it draws power directly from your vehicle, you don't have to worry about charging the tester or replacing batteries. Accuracy is another big advantage. With its smart chip and solid copper clamps, you get dependable readings every time, as long as you input the correct battery details. This helps you avoid costly mistakes and keeps your vehicle running smoothly. It's also built with safety in mind. You're protected from reverse polarity, short circuits, overcurrent, and overvoltage. So even if something goes wrong, you stay safe. The durable ABS housing adds extra toughness for long-term use. If you want a dependable, easy-to-use battery tester that helps you avoid breakdowns and stay in control of your vehicle's performance, the Ancel BA101 is your best overall choice. That's all for our list of the top 5 best car battery testers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.